Hi, welcome to Pralang. In today's video, I'll be discussing 30 common English mistakes Bengali speakers make. Many Bengali learners study English for years. The interesting thing is, most of these mistakes are made because we directly translate from Bangla to English. In today's video, I will show you 30 common English mistakes Bengali speakers make, and I'll also explain the correct sentences with Bangla meaning. If you avoid these mistakes, your English will immediately sound more natural and more fluent. So make sure you watch until the end because some mistakes in the last section are extremely common. Basic grammar mistakes. Mistake 1. He do work here. No, that is wrong. He works here. That is correct. When the subject is he, she, or it, we usually add s to the verb. Bangla, she এখানে কাজ করে. Mistake 2. She go to school every day. No, that is wrong. She goes to school every day is correct. Bangla, she প্রতিদিন স্কুলে যায়. Mistake 3. I am agree. No, that is wrong. I agree is correct. Explanation: agree is already a verb, so we do not use am before it. Bangla, আমি একমত. Mistake 4. I am understanding. No, that is wrong. I understand is correct. Explanation: some verbs are not normally used in continuous tense. Bangla, আমি বুঝি. Mistake 5. I didn't went there. I didn't go there. Yes. Explanation: when we use did, the verb must stay in base form. Bangla, আমি সেখানে যাইনি. Word usage mistakes. Mistake 6. Discuss about the problem. No. Discuss the problem. Yes. Explanation: discuss already includes the meaning of about. Bangla, সমস্যাটি আলোচনা করো. Mistake 7. Return back. No. Return, yes. Explanation: return already means go back. Bangla, ফিরে আসা. Mistake 8. Give exam. Nope. Take an exam. Yes. Bangla, পরীক্ষা দেওয়া. Mistake 9. Do a party. No, that is wrong. Have a party is correct. Bangla, party kora. Mistake 10. Open the light. That is wrong. Turn on the light is correct. Bangla, light jalao. Mistake 11. Close the light. No. Turn off the light. Yes. Bangla, light bondho koro. Comparative mistakes. Mistake 12. More better. No, that is wrong. Better is correct. Explanation: better is already a comparative word. Bangla, aro bhalo. Mistake 13. Very much good. No. Very good. Yes. Bangla, khub bhalo. Mistake 14. Most fastest. That is wrong. Fastest is correct. Bangla, সবচেয়ে দ্রুত. Preposition mistakes. Prepositions are very confusing for Bengali learners. Mistake 15. Married with someone. Nope. Married to someone is correct. Bangla, কারোর সাথে বিবাহিত. Mistake 16. Discuss about. No. Discuss, yes. Mistake 17. Enter into the room. No. Enter the room, yes. Bangla, ঘরে প্রবেশ করা. Speaking mistakes. Mistake 18. What is your good name? No. What is your name is correct. Explanation: native speakers usually just say, what is your name? Mistake 19. Where do you stay? No, that is wrong. Where do you live is correct. Bangla, আপনি কোথায় থাকেন? Mistake 20. I'm coming in 5 minutes. No, that is wrong. I will come in 5 minutes is correct. Bangla, আমি 5 মিনিটে আসবো. Sentence structure mistakes. Mistake 21. Myself Rahim. No, that is wrong. Correct answer is my name is Rahim. Mistake 22. Today morning. No, that is wrong. This morning is correct. Mistake 23. Revert back. That is wrong. The correct answer is reply. Mistake 24. I'm having 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers. আমার 2 ভাই আছে. Mistake 25. He is knowing the answer. No. He knows the answer. Yes. Bangla, সে উত্তরটি জানে. Daily conversation mistakes. Mistake 26. I'm late today only. No. I'm late today. That is correct. Mistake 27. Pass out from university. No. Graduate from university is correct. Mistake 28. Do one thing. That is wrong. Here is what you can do is correct. Mistake 29. I will inform you. No, that is wrong. I will let you know is correct. Mistake 30. I am waiting you. No, that is wrong. I am waiting for you. Bangla, আমি তোমার জন্য অপেক্ষা করছি। So, these were the 30 very common English mistakes Bengali speakers make. If you avoid these mistakes, your English will sound more natural and fluent.